everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central. I am having an unboxing today for a beautiful UniWigs Remy human hairstyle Luna Blonde Balayage. Very excited to show you this wig. Now this is how it arrives in this beautiful little bag, and the wig and some gifts are inside. So let's open it up and see. The inside of the box says, "Love is in the hair," and isn't that the truth? So as we open it, we have the human hair wig inside this beautiful bag. We also have a couple of gifts. And we have this thank you card that has some information about care on it. We have some fun stickers and decals. And then we have a wig cap, which is optional. When I show you the cap of this beautiful style, you'll understand what I mean. So here is this beautiful Remy human hair style. Let's get it unwrapped. Gorgeous. This color is a blonde balayage. It's 674R Icy Blonde Melt. And I love this color. This is an ash color. Let's take a look at the cap quickly. Now, when you receive this, the very soft ear-to-ear lace front does require you to trim it back. I already trimmed mine back so that I can show it to you. It's beautiful, very soft, perfect for all skin tones. And then the lace is up into the top of the cap, so you have unlimited parting options. You can part this wig left, center, or right, any way you choose. Now let's look further at the cap. You see you have a comb here at the top to anchor it into your own hair. On either side, you have these very sleek adjustable ear tabs. You also have this strap, which helps anchor and secure this style. It is removable if you'd like to remove it. See, on this side, you also have an adjustable ear tab. Now in the back, you have a comb, so it can anchor into the nape hair at the back of your head. You also have this fabric nape, and then you have these hook adjusters on either side, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Now this closed cap is very soft, and it does have some stretch. Well, let's try on this beautiful style. Now, the strap here, it's going to go at the back of my head at the nape, just for added security. See how I have that? And then I'll pull the wig cap down and secure it. This is what Luna looks like right out of the box. As you can see, it's beautiful. This is a 14-inch long human hair style. I love all the curls and flipped up ends. Now it does need to be styled. It's human hair. So this does require more care than a regular synthetic wig. Right out of the box, this human hair is beautiful. This is 150% density. So you've got plenty of hair. Beautiful volume. It looks very natural. I absolutely love the lace front. It starts at the ear tab, comes across your forehead, and to the other ear tab. So your entire front hairline is covered with this beautiful lace front. Now the cap size of Luna is average, and it fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. So this cap fits me perfectly with the hook adjusters on the loosest setting. My Luna came out of the box, parted down the center. Let's part it to the right and see what it looks like. Here is Luna, parted to the right. Now, because this is Remy human hair, if the hair does not lay exactly as you want it to, you can heat style this hair with a curling iron or flat iron. Let's try parting this wig to the left. Here is Luna, parted to the left. As you can see, this human hair does not want to stay over to the right-hand side where I need it to go. I can use heat styling tools to train the human hair in the direction that I need it to go. Let's talk about this gorgeous color, 674R, Icy Blonde Melt. This is a gorgeous ash blonde color. It's a blonde balayage. You can see how it's got these lowlights and highlights and then ends up this gorgeous ash blonde color. Even the roots and the lowlights are ash brown, beautifully done. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. I have left a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop at UniWigs.com. Be sure to use my discount code Julia15 to save 15% off the retail price of this gorgeous Remy human hair wig and most wigs and hair toppers at UniWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.